Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Okay, today we are going to learn that how to print static using for loop in a single line. How we can do that? It's very simple. Can you see over here? I have written here for x in range. It's a variable name in range 1 till 5. Here is the colon here. It means it shows that this statement will end over here, and when you press enter, then here you will type what is a space. This is called indentation. Then you will type print static is equal to end is equal to and these spaces. You will run that and it will give you all the statics in a single line. What if I will just remove this one, end is equal to, from here, and now let's check that what will happen. It will print all the statics in a single column and in 3 rows. It means that this shows what this single for loop indicates here, that it is a row. When you type over here, let me write a comment here, it control rows. Okay, thank you very much. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Okay, if you want, I will do this over here. I'm going to do it again. For x is a variable name in range is a keyword, so just shift round brackets and then colon sign shows the end of this for statement over here. Then after that you will enter in the body of the for loop. Okay, now let's give a range, start from 1, give a starting point and end till 5, and it will ignore the 5th one. It will only print the 4 statics. If I'm talking about a static, now press enter and it will automatically add few spaces before this for loop. This is called indentation. It shows that this statement that I'm going to write over here is the part of for loop. Okay, now here I'm going to just within double quotation whatever you write in print function, now in here I'm going to write a static. Now when you will print this one, it will print the result in a single column in 3 rows. But what if I will give a comma here separated and write and is equal to, then I will print these spaces over here, this one single character. Now run that, it will print all the statics in a single line, in a single row. Got it? Please, if you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you in next tutorial. Allah Hafiz.